Hi everybody, so today I want to share with you how I took my skin from looking like this to that in a period of, wait for it, 9 months. It took me a good 9 months to be able to clear my skin, and I'm going to be explaining to you why. I'll also share with you the product that I use and the routine that I'm sticking to right now in order to keep the hyperpigmentation away. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Anna. We talk about skincare the way you know it. I try to simplify the skincare process with you. I make you informed about certain ingredients in purchasing skincare, and I also share my experience with using certain skincare products. I am a mom of 3. I have a 6-year-old, a 4-year-old, and also a 7-month-old. And I've noticed that during my second trimester of my pregnancy, I always get pregnancy acne. So I always get pregnancy acne during the second trimester of my pregnancy, and this third time around with my daughter, it came with a different kind of anger. I don't know, my skin was just very angry with me. The breakouts were a lot, they were very clustered. The pigments was also a lot because I was trying to burst it. Yes, I know you should not pop your acne, but I was pregnant. That's the excuse I make, and I really did not take care of my skin. So it lingered till I had my baby, and then a few months after I had the baby, and I wasn't actively trying to treat it until one day my firstborn looked at me and was like, "Mommy, what's that on your face?" I was like, "What's on my face?" He said, "All those black things on your face." That was when it dawned on me. That's when reality hits me that it's time for me to actually start doing about this pigmentation, my pregnancy acne, and then the pigmentation. So I'm going to share with you my cleansing process, exfoliation process, treatment process, moisturizing, and protection. Let's get into it. So for cleansing my face, I go between the simple moisturizing facial wash and also Kojisan soap, which I use about 2 or 3 times in a week. I do not really want to focus too much on the cleansing because, well, I really don't like focusing a lot on cleansing. Cleansing is very important, but when it comes to treating acne, it's not the main thing that I always focus on. But these 2 products have really helped me. My normal simple moisturizer and also my Kojisan soap, which I use 2 times in a week. Sometimes a week goes by, I don't even use Kojisan soap. And for the Kojisan soap, when I'm cleansing with my skin, I don't use it during the day. I only use it at night. And when I apply it on my face, I leave it on my face as a mask. So for about a minute to 2 minutes, then I wash it off and I continue my normal skincare routine. For treatment, this is where the main thing is. This is where you're actually going to work on the pigmentation to clear it out and have a brighter looking skin. And when you are getting products or serums or treatment products to clear pigmentation on your skin, you need products that contain ingredients like kojic acid, hydroquinone, tranexamic acid, retinol, sometimes niacinamide. Niacinamide too is good, and also alpha arbutin. These are good ingredients. There are so many of them, but these ones are ones that play a vital role in ensuring that your pigmentation and your black spots are cleared. After cleansing, I use a brightening toner, and I've been using the Good Molecules niacinamide toner, and that one has really helped. It's a very gentle product that takes its sweet time to work, but it works. So I use the niacinamide toner. Then from there, I apply my vitamin C serum from Advanced Clinic House. I let that one sit in for a bit. Then I go in with my annual niacinamide and tranexamic acid serum to layer. I use the vitamin C serum first because it's lighter than the annual. So I first cleanse, I use my toner, and then I use the vitamin C serum before I go in with the annual niacinamide and tranexamic acid serum. Then I go about either sorting out my clothes or getting ready for the day, and then I go in with my face cream. The face cream that has helped me a lot is the Face Facts Wonder Cream. I wasn't sure if I was going to like that face cream, but I think we are stuck together for now until I find something else. It's such a good face cream. It contains vitamin C, it contains peptides, it contains hyaluronic acid, it contains niacinamide. I mean, it just contains all those good ingredients you will love to have in your face cream. And the good thing about the Wonder Cream is that it comes in 2 types. It comes in the fragrance type and then one without fragrance. So if you have extremely sensitive skin and oily skin and you don't want to use a fragrance face cream, you can try the non-fragranced Wonder face cream. So when I'm done applying the Wonder cream on my face, the next thing I'll use before I step out or before I'm getting ready to step out is my sunscreen. I do not go anywhere without my sunscreen, and I always do the 2-finger rule when applying my sunscreen to the exposed areas of my body. And I have been using the Skin Aqua sunscreen and I love it. I love it so much. I mean, no white cast. No, it's not heavy. Of course, if you mistakenly put it on your eyelashes, it's going to sting you, but it's going to burn you. But I've learned it the hard way, so I apply it really well around my eyes, avoiding my eyelashes, all over my face and my neck. And I do another 2-finger rule on the parts of my body that's exposed to the sun, like my hands and then my feet, or any part of my body that is basically not covered. So that is for my daytime routine. This serum contains hydroquinone. Hydroquinone is amazing when it comes to bringing down discoloration and black spots, fading away, but you have to use it with caution. You do not use it more than 6 months, and when you are using it, make sure that you are protecting your skin during the day from the damage of the sun. And also, there is a likelihood that the black spots can return. So if you are using hydroquinone or any product that contains hydroquinone in your skincare routine, make sure that you have a maintenance routine that is going to ensure that the darkening or the dark spots do not come back. And the product I'm relying on right now for maintenance routine is going to be my vitamin C serum and also my annual, because the annual contains niacinamide, it contains tranexamic acid, and it contains alpha arbutin. And alpha arbutin, these are like a good combination of products to fade discoloration and black spots on your face. So this one has been like a game changer for me. I use it 2 times a week, or even sometimes once a week, or even when I remember. But this has been so good. Just a little drop of it on the scarring, and that is it. I wait for about 5 minutes and then I use my normal Wonder cream. I tell you for a fact that if I didn't include this in my routine, I would have still gotten a very good result, but probably would have taken much longer. But this product has sped up the lightening process and has really done amazing in fading the black spots from my face as a result of me popping my pimples and as a result of pregnancy acne. This combination of products have really helped me in fading the black spots on my face and has taken my skin, has made my skin look much better. I mean, it's not 100%, nobody's skin is 100%, but we are not where we are coming from. And I am so glad about that. When you are also on these treatments, you have to try your possible best to limit the amount of time you spend out in the sun, because you don't want to burn your skin, because these products can make your skin more susceptible to sunburn, and you do not want to get the opposite of what you are trying to fight against. So these are the product combination I have done that has really helped to fade the pigmentation on my skin as a result of pregnancy. And before you go ahead to try and follow my routine and buy these things, you should probably consult with an esthetician or a dermatologist. Let them have a physical consultation with you, get to know the nature and the state of your skin before they recommend products for you. But I'm confident that whatever product recommendation they're going to give to you to lighten your dark spots is going to contain the aforementioned ingredients you need to look out for when buying products to clear pigmentation or discoloration on your skin. So what has your journey been when it comes to fighting discoloration? Share that in the comments, what you have used and how it can help people. And if you are in Ghana and you are looking to buy any of these ingredients, you can check out my Instagram shop, and Beauty Supply. The link is going to be in my description box. We have these products available. If at the time of you making the enquiry we do not have it available, I'll refer you to an authentic shop where you can get it from, and then you can start treating your pigmentation on your skin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Drop a comment and give me a good thumbs up so we can continue to grow this family. Share this video to anybody who would probably need it, and I will see you all in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.